attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Flash flood warning for the Big Island of Hawaii until 11 a.m. At 7:59 a.m., radar and rain gauges indicated heavy rainfall over the west and south sides of the Big Island. Peak rain rates of up to 2 inches were moving onshore. Area streams remain elevated, and additional rainfall is likely to continue to move over the Big Island from the southwest this morning. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas.